the talk show segment. The topic of the discussion is student academic performance, parents and teachers' involvement. With me are three discussants to analyze this important topic. Introduce yourselves.
Jedediah Ogumoniwo.
I am David Okochu Joanna.
Soka Priscilla.
My name is Covenant. I'm your uncle. Parents' involvement in a child's education is consistently found to be positively associated with a child's academic performance. Recent study analyzed this fact using two potential mechanisms. Firstly, I would like to call on Jedediah to enlighten us on parents' attitude toward their child's education.
Parents convey attitudes about education to their children during out-of-school hours, and these attitudes are reflected in the child's classroom behavior and in the teacher's relationship with the child and the parent. Parents who have a positive attitude toward their child's education, school, and teacher are able to positively influence the child's academic performance. Their parents, I urge you to be mindful of what you say about your child's education, school, and teacher, because whatever you say, good or bad, would definitely reflect in your child's classroom behavior and the teacher's relationship with the child and the parents. Thank you.
Wow, that is overwhelming. Joanna.
Perceived cognitive competence is defined as the extent to which children believe they possess necessary cognitive skills to be successful when completing academic tasks such as reading, writing, and arithmetic. There is evidence that higher parents' involvement in their children's education contributes to an increase in a child's level of perceived competence. A child's increased perception of cognitive competence is consistently related to a higher academic performance. Dear parents, involvement in your child's education is an advantage money cannot buy. Regardless of your economic status, you can do simple things like asking your child about school, assisting your child's academic work at home, and attending parent-teacher meetings. By getting involved in these simple activities, you are helping your child to increase more in cognitive competence. Thank you.
Priscilla.
Positive student-teacher relationship is defined as a teacher's perception that his or her relationship with the child is characterized by closeness, lack of dependency, and complete. Closeness is a degree of warmth and open communication between the student and teacher. Dependency is a reliance on the teacher as a source of support, and complete is a degree of complete in student-teacher interactions. Positive student-teacher relationship is positively related to a wide range of child social academic outcomes in the school. Specifically, a close student-teacher relationship is an important predictor of a child's academic performance. In conclusion, parents, your involvement in your child's education will positively influence the nature of the student-teacher relationship. Thank you.
A big thanks to Joanna and Priscilla. To round up this segment, one cogent reason parents use as an excuse to neglect their child's education is shortage of time, the time they use to manage the financial standing of the family. But remember, as earlier mentioned by Joanna, the involvement in your child's education is an advantage money cannot buy. Thank you.
To everyone out there, wherever in the world far on, yeah, there's a school that is so good when it comes to academic excellence.
children and they finished before the timing. Appreciate them. You are here for them and they are here to show you what they have been learning all the while. Please appreciate them. Now what they are about to do is what we call LCC. LCC means listening, calculation, and they give you answer. Okay? Let's see how Joanna is going to work her own and give us answer. Ready? Joanna, are you there? Ready? 7 minus 7, 8 minus 8, 9 minus 1, that is?
8.
8 is correct, ready? 7, 2 minus 9, 8 minus 6, that is?
2.
2 is correct, ready? 6, 2 minus 7, 8 minus 9, that is?
0.
0 is correct. Please appreciate her as she goes back to her seat. 4 of you will come forward now. 4 of you come forward. Okay, right about now, they are going to do what we call competition. How we challenge them to, learn in class. That is what they are going to showcase to us right now. Ready? 2, 2, 1 minus 5, 2. That is?
2.
2 is correct, ready? 8, 1 minus 5, 4. That is?
8.
8 is the correct answer, ready? 3, 6 minus 7, 4 minus 5. That is?
1.
1 is the correct answer, ready? 2, 2, 5 minus 6, 4. That is?
7.
7 is the correct answer, ready? 6, 3 minus 2 minus 5, 6. That is?
8.
8 is the correct one, ready? 3, 7. Short clear, please. Ready? 3, 6 minus 4, 2 minus 5, 4. That is? 6 is the correct one, ready? 8, 1 minus 2 minus 5, 3. That is?
5.
5 is the correct one, ready? 7, 2 minus 3 minus 5, 4, 2. That is?
7.
7 is the correct one, ready? 3, 6 minus 2 minus 5, 6 minus 3. That is?
5.
5 is correct, ready? 9 minus 6, 4 minus 5, 3. That is?
5.
5 is the correct one. Please appreciate them. Okay, they are all going to come out one after the other. One after the other. Please step forward. Ready? 3, 6 minus 2 minus 5. That is?
2.
2 is correct. Ready? 8, 1 minus 2 minus 5, 6. That is?
8.
8 is correct. Ready? 7, 2 minus 3 minus 5, 8. That is?
9.
9 is correct. Ready? 3, 6 minus 2 minus 5 minus 2, 3, 1. That is?
4.
4 is correct. Please appreciate her as she goes back to her seat. Ready? 9 minus 3 minus 5, 6. That is?
7.
7 is correct. Ready? 2, 2, 5 minus 3. That is?
6.
6 is correct. Ready? 8 minus 1 minus 3. Short clear, please. Ready? 6, 3 minus 2 minus 5, 2, 5. That is?
9.
9 is correct. Ready? 4, 1, 4 minus 3. That is?
6.
6 is correct. Please appreciate him as he goes back to his seat. Next. Ready? 7, 2 minus 3 minus 5, 1, 2. That is?
4.
4 is correct. Ready? 4, 1, 4 minus 5, 4. That is?
8.
8 is correct. Please appreciate him as he goes back. Okay, are you there? Okay, ready? 5 minus 4, 9, 9, 8. That is?
28.
28 is correct. Ready? 3, 6, 5 minus 2. That is?
12.
12 is the correct one. Ready? 3, 6 minus 5, 8, 9, 8. That is?
29.
29 is correct. Ready? 3, 6 minus 7, 8, 4, 9, 9. That is?
32.
32 is correct. Please appreciate
appreciate
him as
them.
he goes back to his seat.
It's 40 seconds and she scored 39 over 40. Excellent, a woman. Finished in 3 minutes 50 seconds and he scored 35 over 40. Soka Priscilla finished in 2 minutes 30 seconds, and she got 39 over 40. Light Iyahen finished in 2 minutes 43 seconds, and he scored 34 over 40. Divine Iyahen finished in 2 minutes 41 seconds, and he scored 40 over 40. Thank you.